Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really easy recipe for you for low carb broccoli slaw using just these 4 ingredients. And as always, I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which you can click through to pin bookmark and save whenever you want to make this recipe. And I've also left ideas for loads of adaptations, loads of other ingredients you can include. This is kind of the core to make a really lovely slaw that rhymed, and then there's loads of other ways you can adapt it to your tastes. You can make a whole meal of it, whatever you like. And also I really appreciate if you'd leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment to let me know if you give this broccoli slaw a try and how you like it. But let's just quickly chat through the ingredients and then we will get making it. We've got a whole broccoli here. We're going to use the florets as well as the stem. I've got a lemon. I'm using flaked almonds for some crunch and some protein too, and we've got extra virgin olive oil. That's it. That's the core ingredients, but as I said, there's loads of adaptations, loads of ways to make this salad your own. So step 1, we're going to get on and prep our broccoli. So as I said, we're going to use the whole broccoli. We're actually going to grate the stem. I've got a grater and a bowl over here. We're going to grate the stem, and we're going to grate some of the florets, leave some whole, just keep it different textures depending how you like it. Just like that. And then I'm going to grate some of the little broccoli florets as well. Grate some, keep some whole and some little, just so that there's a whole range of textures. So it's one vegetable, but loads of different ways to enjoy it. And I'm happy with how that grated broccoli looks. I'm going to keep the grater though, because we're going to grate some lemon zest, and I'm just going to chop the rest of the broccoli and pop it into the bowl. Now we have a bowl full of broccoli. You can see the larger florets, and down the bottom all of the slaw that we've grated, and we're going to mix it all together in a minute. But what I'm going to do now is grate the zest of lemon, so that just gives such a wonderful flavor to the broccoli. So we've got the grated lemon zest. We're just going to add it on top of the broccoli, just like that, and we'll give it a good toss through. Give it a nice toss through and get the lemon zest all distributed amongst the broccoli, and then we'll pop over the lemon juice. We'll just squeeze it over a sieve to catch pips. Yep, a couple of pips there. I'm just doing half of the lemon. You can do more if you want. Oh, one of the pips got through somehow. Let's fish it out. Okay, give that a toss through, and then the extra virgin olive oil, as much as you want. Start with a couple of tablespoons, mix through, add more if you want to. So we'll go 1, 2, just depends on how you want it, but I'm quite happy with those 2 tablespoons. Fold all that through. Now you really could just enjoy the dressing like this, but I'm quite happy to top it with some nuts, because then that'll just make it a whole meal and add in some protein. And we'll just sprinkle over some of those nuts. I like these slivered almonds. You can toast them, roast them if you want, but I'm just going to enjoy them straight like that. And that is the recipe for today for this lovely low-carb broccoli slaw. It's also vegan friendly and just so easy, as you saw, just a couple of ingredients. And check down below for the link to the blog post, which will have the full step-by-step instructions, how to make this with loads of adaptations, so you can include other ingredients to make this broccoli slaw your own. And remember to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment to let me know if you give this recipe a try. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.